Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull for paper trading. First, navigate to the paper trading section within the Webull app or desktop platform. You'll find this feature easily accessible from your main account dashboard. This simulated environment is perfect for beginners to learn the ropes and for experienced traders to test new approaches. It's a fantastic tool to build confidence and understand market dynamics before committing real capital. Let's dive into setting up your virtual account. Once you're in the paper trading interface, you'll notice your virtual account balance. Webull usually provides a generous starting amount, often $1 million, to give you ample room to practice. This virtual capital allows you to experiment with various stock and option trades without any financial risk. Remember, you can always reset your virtual funds if you want to start fresh or try a different strategy from scratch. This flexibility is key to effective learning. Now let's place a trade. Search for any stock or option you're interested in just as you would for a real trade. When you're ready, select the paper trade option instead of trade. You can then specify your order type, such as market or limit, the quantity of shares, and your desired price. After placing the order, you can track its status and see your virtual profit or loss in real time. This mirrors the actual trading experience closely. Webull's paper trading isn't just for basic stock trades. You can also practice more complex strategies, including options trading and various advanced order types. Take advantage of the analytical tools to review your performance, identify strengths, and pinpoint areas for improvement. This detailed feedback is invaluable for refining your trading skills. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll be well prepared for the live markets.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.